What qualities does a person need to have to be a communicator?
In my humble opinion, being an excellent communicator requires the possession of several key attributes. Let me outline the fundamental 5 of them. First and foremost, a communicator must have a clear and focused message in mind before uttering their words. Their communication should serve a specific purpose, akin to the saying, aim high, shoot straight. Second, a skilled communicator should excel in both active and patient listening. This demonstrates respect for their audience and enables them to offer valuable advice or solutions. As the proverb goes, listen to learn, learn to listen. Third, the ability to show empathy and connect with people on an emotional level is an essential quality of a proficient communicator. When you genuinely care, people are more likely to open up, recalling the saying, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. Fourth, mastery of language skills is of paramount importance. A competent communicator understands the nuances and subtleties of language, recognizing that it serves as the bridge to effective communication. In the words of an old adage, words are the apparel of thought. Finally, the capacity for compromise to reach mutually beneficial agreements is vital. A skilled communicator is prepared to make concessions to maximize the benefits for all parties involved, adhering to the belief that you can catch more flies with honey than with vinegar. With these 5 qualities, one can achieve the art of effective communication.
Contact Dr. Akin in England.